Hi, I'm Kat, and the other day I went to Minnesota's largest candy store in Jordan, Minnesota, and I found this. Look at that! So now, not only can you cut her hair anytime you please, but you can eat it too. So let's give this a try. Oh, one thing. So I was looking at this yesterday, and one thing that kind of scared me was the warning label. There's a warning label on candy. So, here, let me read this to you. Warning, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, and birth defects and other reproductive harm. What the hell on candy geared to kids, well, and crazy adults like me. So, I guess a product just for being on your shelf, but we'll try it. So that way, if you do buy this to display in your little barbershop or salon, you know you're not missing out on much. Okay, so you open it here. Oh, I'll show you the back of the box too. It's cute. The packaging is soups adorable. Look at that. And I can try to pronounce it. Okashi Na Salon. Cute. So let's unbox it and see what's in here. Ooh. So you have more tape. Okay, let's see. There we go. And then I'll open up this one too while I have the knife in front of me. Ooh. So here's the candies. We'll just try one. Oh, it smells like soda. It smells like cola. Nice. And it's hard as rock. Okay, there we go. It's like taffy. Cool. You know what? Maybe we'll just do a couple. We'll really make this count because I don't think I'll be doing this again. If it didn't have the cancer warning, I'd probably have a lot of fun with this. So you get a flesh-colored little person. You also get some stickers so you can make your own little person. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, oh, and quickly, just scissors. So we got this one, so her. So I'm guessing, because you see how there's different, like, gals there? So I'm guessing whoever is, like, displayed here, that's what stickers you get. We'll quickly put her together. So cute. I like the little bow tie. Since I often wear bow ties. Okay, let's just put that one there. So we'll give her an eye here. And another cute little eye. And give her a nice smile. Does she have a nose? Ah! Okay, maybe you want to put this... Might be easier with tweezers. Okay, so no nose, which is fine. We'll give her a bow tie. Right down there, that looks good. And maybe we'll give her some blush. Maybe right about there. We could give her a little heart as a nose. She fits on my thumb. Okay, I think that is it. I think that's good. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna take these candies and we have to, well, maybe take them out of the wrapper. Smells really yummy. It's a little, feels a little dry. But maybe if it's like clay, where the more you work it, the softer it gets. So I'm thinking the more you work it gets really warm and it'll be easier to come out the holes. Now when I was a child I had one of these, like these people, and you can have like Play-Doh come out the head. But I like this better because you can eat it. I don't think I ever tried eating Play-Doh. I think I was smarter than that. So this is going to be a treat. I can do this again, but I can eat it this time. Okay, again, we're gonna do 2. See if that works. Maybe it won't, but let's have her have long hair so we have more to cut. I think that'll be fun. So while I am playing with this, kneading it, what is your favorite candy or favorite childhood toy? I think the Barbie salon was fun as a kid. Us girls would really cut Barbie's hair. Oh, she'd always be bald by the end of it. Okay, so there we go. Got it shoved up really good in there. Put this on, and then we press really, really hard. Oh my god, that's hard. Okay, now I see why you put 1 in. Oh wow, can you imagine if my hair grew like this? Just straight up. That'd be kind of cool. You know how easy it'd be to have a mohawk? Okay, just a tad more. Okay, so the photo shows you can do all these fancy dancy hairstyles. And you just might be able to. That is cool. So you can take these strands and you can do whatever you want to them. Oh, fun. I'll have to do some more next time and give her a nice updo. Oh, that is just too cute. I'm trying to take this off so maybe put in another one. Oh, no, it's gonna wreck her hair. Her hair will come out. Let's give this a whirl. So let's pretend she came into the barber shop. No, well, I don't have a clipper, so we'll have to say salon. She came into the salon, we'd cape her up, put on a little neck strip, and be like, honey, you'd look better with short hair. Although she does look pretty damn cute right now. I'll just go a little shorter. Uh-oh. I guess do this over a nice clean surface. Oh. Maybe put guards around because I'm flinging this candy everywhere. And there's carpet on the floor, so I better clean that up. No! Okay, luckily it just popped out. See, I'm not finished with my hair cutting yet. I can't break. It's cola. So, like a soft taffy. Nice. Oh no. I'm losing all the candy. Okay, I obviously need to go back. Well, I shouldn't say go back, but I obviously need to go to a barber school or a beauty school because obviously my hair cutting skills are lacking. But you know what? She really looks good with short hair, doesn't she? Very delicious. pretty good bowl too. So this is it. I'm trying not to think about well, cancer thing is like, is it candy cancer? I'm guessing it's the plastic. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video and you want to see more, like, subscribe, go ahead and leave comments down there. And if you like this thing, this cute little toy, there's something about this. I'm not sure what that. I guess you can take the box. Oh, the box transforms into a little play set. That is so cool. Nice. Yeah, give this a whirl if you don't mind the whole cancer scare. And until next time, bye. It says, warning, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California. Okay. Warning, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to... I
tried.
Okay, California.